Alright, so it's time to make a start on this intake plenum. So basically you just got to chop the top off the old one and then weld on that. So cut through there, get rid of that. This will sit on there. The intake plenum I'm using is by AECO. It's basically just you buy a cast aluminium weld-on addition for your plenum, like your regular intake really. So give that a go. A lot cheaper than buying one ready-made, but this one does involve a bit of work. So that's an old inlet manifold for the TD. Now this is the new one. So I just cut the top off. So it looks like that. Gave it a clean and that sits on top and we'll weld it on. Alright, so I've bolted the plenum to an old head, just like that, just so when I weld it, I don't warp it too much, and then when I put it on my head, it seals. So we're all welded out. Just gonna leave that bolted to the head till it's fully cold, and we'll put it on the motor in the car. All right, so this intake is welded out and nice and cold. So pretty much just gotta clean up this gasket surface and put it on the car so we can do front mount intercooler piping. So that's the intake all mounted up. I've just got a boost reference coming off here, which actually come with 3 holes tapped. 2 of them are blanked, one for my boost hose, and I'll run one to my boost compensator and tee my boost gauge. But that's it. I won't know any difference till I've taken it for a drive, but hopefully that'll be soon.